Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix add to or post to your story if missing Instagram. For that, you need to go to Instagram account, and first of all we need to update your Instagram account. Go to Play Store and update your Instagram account and update it. After updating Instagram account, just open Instagram account, and here you need to tap on your story, or if you are clicking on this Instagram picture, and here I was sharing into my Instagram story. And here if I'm missing the add mentioning story means here we need to tap on text, and here we need to tap on at the rate, and here we need to tap and add the mentioned ID. Here we need to tap on ID. So like this we can add mentions to an Instagram story. So here we have another option, so just click type on avatars, and here we have the rate of mentions. Here also you can give the mentions of account. Like this you can do. Thank you.